We at Spiker have promised to create one of the best products that one can really be proud of. You cut to a time when I am a retractor with some fellow retractors, where one of them was a chemist and he wanted to move into clothing. And that little stint in clothing got me an offer to partner him. And we started a brand called Rags. He wanted to do t-shirts, I wanted to do denims. Why denims? I don't know. Is that probably it somehow tickled my senses. I felt कि बॉस इससे और सेक्सी और इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोडक्ट हो ही नहीं सकता है. एंड टी शर्ट्स वो हिसाब से काफ़ी मंडेन था. तो वी अग्रीड कि हम करेंगे डेनिम्स. रैग्स नाम था हमारे ब्रांड का. एंड देन एज फेट हैड टू हैव इट, आई मेट माई को फाउंडर ऑफ स्पाइकर, मिस्टर प्रसाद पाबरेकर. Simultaneously just set up a factory for manufacturing denims, and he had put up an ad in the newspaper Times of India seeking brands and companies who could manufacture at his factory. And we were people who wanted to manufacture. Probably that time is when actually the seed of Spiker was sown. We started the brand somewhere in 92, 93, and the journey for Spiker and of Spiker began from that day. It's been going great. We are where we are today, probably the second largest or the third largest brand the country has, and for sure the largest Indian brand that the country has. I think the first and foremost thing that one needs to be aware of, or rather do, is be honest to the promise that you have made to your consumers, to your stakeholders. A lot of it gets achieved only by fulfilling that promise. We at Spiker have promised to create one of the best products that one can really be proud of. We are extremely high on competition with respect to international brands, primarily because I'm very sure that the value that we build in our products are so high and they are so consistent that it's very difficult to find any flaw or any intent which is not the right one within our system. By doing a great job, by doing a sincere job, I think we do yeoman service for our country. हमको अगर हमारे कंट्री के लिए कुछ अच्छा करना है तो हम जो कर रहे हैं उसको अच्छी तरह से करें, उसी में बहुत कुछ हो जाता है. और अगर हम लोग वो फोकस रखते हैं, कीप आवर विजन्स ऑन द रोड, आई डोंट थिंक दैट इट्स डिफिकल्ट